everyone, Sowson here. We are going Middle Eastern today. I'm going to show you how to prepare and cook an amazing dish called Kofta. Now we have all of our herbs and spices ready to go, and we're working with beef mince today. You can work with lamb and pork as well, but I'm actually going with the beef only because it has a little bit of a stronger flavour to it. Okay, we got our magic gloves on. We are going to combine all of our herbs, spices together. We are going to start with a little bit of salt, pepper, five spice, and dry basil. Okay, here is chopped onions, one large chopped onion, two cloves of garlic, and a handful of parsley, all chopped up finely. Okay, just going to add a touch of olive oil before we layer it in our dish. Place it in the lasagna tray and press really hard so we can get out all the air bubbles from the meat. So just pressing down, keep layering it, that's it. We're actually going into the potatoes now. I've actually sliced potatoes. Now this is how thick we want them. I've sliced up 10 potatoes. What I'm going to do is layer them straight on top of the kofta. That's it, just keep layering it until there's no space left. That's it. And fresh tomatoes straight on top. That's it. Beautiful. A little bit of salt. That's it. And of course, crushed pepper. Okay, we're just going to rip up some thyme and throw it on top. And this is where all the aroma will come from. Thyme is a Middle Eastern herb that we use pretty much every day. I actually put the foil on halfway through the baking or cooking process. Here we go. Oh, I'm a little bit scared. You ready? Woo! Here we go. The big reveal. I love it. I just love it when a plan gets together. Now look at that. Beautiful. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Good stuff. Please like and share. Bye.